What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be working on the FRS again. I got these parts from iJDMTOY. So basically we're going to be putting in a fourth brake light. It looks like a pretty cool feature. So the first thing you're going to have to do is get underneath the car, and then there's two clips on the side and then two 10 millimeters. So once I get that out, I'll show you. Alright, so now that we got that out, let me show you where everything is. So there's two 10 millimeter bolts there, and then on the sides are just these little push pin clips. So basically now what you're gonna have to do is right here, that's for the fourth brake light, or like the reflector. They actually provided a drill bit for it. So let me get this all drilled out and I'll get back with you guys. Alright, so now we got everything cut out for the fourth brake light, and it should look something like this. I tried to get it as center as I possibly can. It shouldn't be a problem or anything. So now we're gonna go into the trunk and we're gonna take out all the clips so we could access the taillight. So let's get that going. Alright, so now that we took about 6 clips out, there's 4 bolts. I think they're 8 millimeter. And you gotta use the deep socket to access the taillight. Alright, now that we got the bolts off, it'll probably be a little hard because it was snowing here in Chicago. So we're just going to unplug the clip that connects to the taillight and put it in a safe spot. And basically, we're going to take the harness that they supplied us, and I'm just gonna run a couple of the wires just to make sure everything works before I run the wires and everything and install them. Alright, now that I got everything working right and everything, so it turns on with the lights and it also works with the brake lights. So basically the wires I used just to test it, the black went to the black, the red went to the red, and the blue went to the green on the factory harness. My car's a 2016 Scion FRS, so it might be different with like the BRZs and everything and like the 8.6s. So hopefully the wiring is right for you guys, but I'm gonna splice these and then run everything and install it again and show you the final product. Alright, so now that I just finished splicing everything, again, it's the blue goes to the just straight green, and then red to red and black to black. It's always a good idea just to make sure it goes, it still works and everything. So I'm gonna button this all up and then I will show you everything when it's done. Alright, so now that I got everything buttoned back up, this is what it looks like when it's just on, and the brake light works and everything. Honestly, it's a pretty quick, simple install. If you guys like it, I'll leave a link to the description down below, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.